This is a tutorial on how to zoom in and out in Premiere Pro. I'm going to be showing you how to just do basic zooming in and out just for a still video, and then I'll show you how to use keyframes to slowly zoom in or out. So to start, we're going to click on our clip and go up to the top left, and you'll want to click Edit, Effect Controls if you haven't already, and then you can use this scale. So all you have to do is hold left click, zoom in, zoom out, and once you find a spot, you can let that stay and it saves it for the whole clip. And then obviously right above it, if you want to go left or right, up or down, so let's just say I want to go really close to this guy's face. Now that is saved for the entire clip. Now if you want to keyframe, you do that, you go to top right, click workspaces, go down to effects, and now that's going to bring open this keyframing tab right here, once again in effect controls on the left. So basically we'll go to the start of our clip. Let's just make it really easy. We'll just do this entire clip starting from zoomed out to zoom in. So you're going to want to obviously use this to go back and forth. That is also able to be clicked from up here, so go to the beginning or wherever you want to start your keyframe, and then you're going to go over to scale, and then we're going to click on it right here, toggle animation. Now that's going to bring in the add/remove keyframe. Once again, I click this little clock that says toggle animation. I'm going to come over to here, that's already there. So what you're going to be looking for is this little keyframe. So it's stuck at zoomed in right now, or just what I just did, so it's still saved at that. So we're going to go all the way to the end here, and then we're going to click this one more time, add keyframe, and then we can hold this to change that. So now the entire clip goes from being zoomed in to being zoomed out. And if you want to change your keyframes, you can just click on the individual keyframe and zoom in. Oh, that just added one. So you're going to have to be highlighted over it and click on it to zoom it in more. So we'll start it there. Now as you can see, as the clip goes, it slowly zooms out. Obviously, you can go like this and make it a lot quicker if you want to, so that brings it in and out a lot quicker. And you can do a lot more complicated stuff. So you can go zoom in to zoom out, to add another keyframe, to zoom all the way in, or just something crazy like that.